Problem number 2 on motion curve. The VT diagram for a motion of a train which moves from A to B station is as shown in figure. Determine the average speed for a train and the distance between the two stations. Also draw eddy curve. Now this VT diagram is given and we need to find out the distance traveled by the train. As you know, the area of VT diagram gives the distance. So we need to find out area of this diagram, which will give the distance from station A to station B. So we'll take the area 1/2. So first triangle number 1, then rectangle and triangle number 3. So area is 1/2 12 into 30. This ordinate is 12 plus 60 into 12. The net ordinate will be 90 minus 30 multiplied by 12 plus 1/2 again 30 into 12. Base will be 120 minus 90 will be 30 and height will be 12. So this gives the distance AB for a train and distance is equal to 1080 meter. Now we need to find out average speed or average velocity of a train, and that is equal to total distance travel divided by total time. So total distance traveled is equal to, we find in the earlier step, 1080 divided by total time is 120 seconds, which is given in the problem. 120 is the total time. So we'll get average speed is equal to 9 meter per second. So this was asked. Now we have to plot AT curve, and for that we need to find out acceleration in various zones. So acceleration in area 1 or zone 1, this is. So what acceleration is? Acceleration is nothing but change in velocity upon total time or change in time. Change in velocity is v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1. So 12 minus initial velocity was 0 and time was 30 minus 0. So this will give you 0.4 meter per second square. v2 minus v1 upon t2 minus t1 will give the change in acceleration. Now acceleration in zone 2, again same, that is equal to this v3 minus v2. So 12 minus 12 upon 90 minus 30, change in time interval. So 90 minus 30, this is equal to 0. Now third, acceleration in zone 3 will be again change in velocity. So change in velocity is 0, final velocity is 0, and for this zone 3 final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is 12. So 0 minus 12 upon change in time is 120 minus 90, 120 minus 90, and that is equal to minus 0.4 meter per second square. Now we'll plot AT curve. For that we'll take on y-axis acceleration, that is acceleration, and on x-axis we'll take time. So for zone 1 acceleration was plus 0.4, so we will plot that. So for this is for zone 1. For zone 2 the time ordinate is 30 here. For zone 2 it is 0 up to 60 up to 90 seconds, total time of 60 seconds, it is a 0, and from 90 to 120 it is again minus 0.4. So we will plot, this is for zone 2, this is for zone 3, and ordinate is minus 0.4 meter per second square. So this completes the AT curve for the given VT curve which was asked in the problem.